to stay alive, you've got just 3 minutes to get some oxygen into your mouth. You need oxygen and food to give you the energy for life. Without any energy, your brain dies and all the rest of you dies. All the cells die. You've got 3 minutes to get oxygen for energy. You've got 3 days to get some H2O for water, because you're losing it all the time. Every time you breathe out, the vapor, water vapor, comes out of your mouth. It's on the inside of your lungs. It's always coming out. Yeah, not just sweat, not just pee, not just poo, but all excretion, breathing out, pee, poo, sweat, all excretion loses you water, H2O. So you've got 3 days to drink some more water. Yeah, or they could be eat a lemon. Apples are 80-90% water. Melons are like 98% water. But still good for you. And you've got 3 weeks to get some food. Now, most people think, I can't last more than 5 minutes without food. But no, you've got 3 weeks. 3 weeks to get some food. Food is needed for the energy. Now, the energy foods are the starchy foods. Starchy foods like potatoes. Hold on, here we go. Starchy foods are like potatoes and pasta and bread. It's all the ones that make you feel full up. So what we do is, to make the starchy foods we need them for respiration. Respiration is the energy reaction inside every cell in your body, in the mitochondria. Mitochondria, small little mouthy looking organelles. Every cell has got them. Every cell in every animal, every plant, every fungus, everything in the eukaryota, which is plants, animals, fungus. That doesn't include some bacteria. Anyway, the respiration reaction in the mitochondria, that's important to keep you alive, gives you the energy for life. Now, in order to do that, you need starchy foods like potatoes. I like potatoes because you put them in a pot and they're potatoes. They've got toes at the end. The potatoes are used to make crisps, and crisps for English, chips in America. Crisps, chips, fries. The other thing you need is pasta, bread. To get pasta and bread, you need tiny little seeds on pieces of grass. Not ordinary kind of grass, a special grass. We've grown it, selectively bred it to be bigger and bigger grass. This grass is in the fields, lots of fields all over the flat parts of the USA, near Kansas. And this type of grass is called wheat. Wheat. Now, these wheat plants give you tiny little seeds. The little seeds, you collect them using a combine harvester, a big grindy machine. The combine harvester gets the wheat, gets the seeds. The seeds are ground up into flour. You can buy flour in the shops. It's white stuff, very powdery stuff. It's made from crushed up seeds. Now, flour not in the same spelling as the other kind of pretty flowers, but flour is then used to make pasta and bread and the bases of pizza. So all sorts of flour. So that flour gives you the starchy foods, the carbohydrates that you need to give you the energy. Now, you don't just need to eat in 3 days, remember? You don't just need to eat in 3 days to give you the energy foods. You also need to grow, and you need to replace the cells that are wearing out. Or if you've got a cut on your skin, and that needs to be grown back. So the muscles of your body, they grow using proteins, and same with the cells. You need proteins into your body. No replacing all your proteins with the carbohydrates, which was the Atkins diet, and then you got lots and lots of diseases. Strangely enough, if you don't eat one part of your diet, you cut out vegetables completely, or you never eat fruit, you're gonna suffer some diseases. Proteins is the same. Proteins are needed to grow muscles in the first place. That's why your bodybuilders eat lots and lots of proteins. And also to replace any cells that have been scratched, damaged. You're doing all the same. The proteins are needed to make more you. Now, in order to get the proteins from the animal muscles, because what we do is to get proteins, you either eat lots and lots of nuts and pulses, you can get some proteins from wholemeal bread and stuff, but most people eat steak, sausages, hot dogs, hamburger patties. They're all made from the muscle of animals. Pigs, chickens, beef. So these muscles are ground up to make hot dogs and stuff that look nice, but you can actually see them as muscles in the supermarkets where they look like red muscles. They're red because there's oxygen put in the plastic bag with them, or the plastic bag or the cellophane cover. There's oxygen in there, makes them look red. Muscles need to have all the minerals to grow, and in order to have minerals, you have to put the minerals on the field. And the minerals on the field to grow the nuts and the wheat that you and the animals will eat, you need fertilizer. To make things fertile, you need fertilizer. And fertilizer's got nitrogens and phosphates and all the other minerals that plants and animals need. You've got to fertilize your fields. Good. See you later. Bye.